Hello, this is Lucy,
And this is Kevin.
and this is our Gold Points video for 61B Project Zero. We created a game that uses a key-controlled listener to collect all the coins without crashing into various celestial bodies. And if you look into our terminal, to start the game, all we need to do is run the file and the data of the planets. And if you look at the loading screen of our game, we use std draw text to give the instructions of how to use the keys and within the time limit of 30 seconds, and telling them that they will lose if they crash into any celestial body. And we use key listeners to begin the game. All of the game is run in while loops. And we also have an option where you can select your character between Chevin and Lucy. These are also controlled using key listeners by typing 1 or 2, and we just change the image file name of our spaceship depending on which character is chosen.
Okay, so I'm gonna select type 1 to select me. Okay, so as you can see, here's my character. I'm moving it with the up, down, right, and left arrow keys. And my goal of the game is to collect these coins, and as you can see, every time I run into a coin, it disappears, because we're using a formula where if the distance between two objects is under a certain threshold, it detects that a collision has occurred between them. And after you collide with a coin, it disappears because it means you collected it. So as you can see here, I collected all the coins, so I won. It says you collect all the coins, yeah. So now I can press space to quit the program, and then I can just run it again through the terminal. Okay, so press enter. This time I'll press 2 to select Lucy. And yeah, so as you can see, these coins are in different locations this time. We used random number generators to generate different X and Y positions for the coins. And one of our conditions is that if you crash into one of these celestial bodies, so these planets or the sun in the middle, you lose. So I'm going to show you. I'll crash into one. Boom, you crashed. So I lost. And so I can press space to quit. Start again. Okay. Press enter. Select me again. Okay. So now, if you look at the top left, that also shows a timer. So originally in the NBody file, you have to enter the time and the change in time or whatever. But in this case, we just set it to a number such that there would be 30 seconds in the game. So if I get to 30 seconds, I'll lose. And if you see here, I'm moving along the edges, and it's not moving me off the map because I detected that if the X and Y position are past the radius, then I can't move. It won't move me past. And timer hit 0, so I ran out of time, so lost. So sad. So I'll press quit space to quit the program. And yeah, that's basically our gold points project. And subscribe for more content. Subscribe, to my Minecraft channel, my Fortnite channel, all that. Just kidding. All right, bye. Oh wait, shit. Oh, we're still recording. Shit.